Hey, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about Baby Floki Billionaire. This is a new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. Amazing cryptocurrency. It was listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap in less than 3 days. Also, it touched 1.7 million all-time high in 3 hours from launch. And it already has an audit by Desert Finance. The contract was verified and huge marketing campaign is going on right now. So with that being said, let's hop onto the video. Just hopping onto the website, we have here babyflokibillionaire.com. Great design. Also, we can scroll a bit down. So who is Baby Floki Billionaire? Baby Floki Billionaire is the son of the famous and now trending coin Floki. He was born this year with a golden spoon and in the lap of Floki Billionaire luxury. He has a flair for all things exquisite and loves to travel aristocratic style. Trading and trading in splendor are his hobbies. So, great. Hopping onto the economics without saying anything. So, 2% distribution to our holders, 3% added to marketing, 4% going back to the liquidity to maintain a good price stability. So note guys, total tax for every buy and sell transaction amount is up to a 9% only. Unlike most pump and dump coins on the Binance Smart Chain, who have a high percentage of reflection to honey trap investors into holding for short term. They are focused for bigger goals. Our economics encourage more traders to trade, resulting in a high volume and increase in price, hence more holders to hold. So great economics overall. So as I said before, they were audited by Desert Swap. We have here the PDF file. If you guys want to check it for yourself, I will leave the links down into the description. Also, we got here the white paper, light paper. So this is everything that I'm going to say in this video, but on a paper. So I will also leave this link in the description if you guys want to check it for yourself. Hopping onto the roadmap right now, so the flight to the moon, first stage tokenomics and fundamental development with the Binance Smart Chain top advisors on board. So great team, top graphics team deployment, logo creation and website development, ultra high quality videos such as this one. Leave a like if you're still watching. So Telegram channel creation and presence on all social media platforms. Second phase, we have whitelist pre-sale promotion, the XL pre-sale, coin launch, initiate aggressive marketing campaigns. Third stage, focus on building a strong community, invest on a big scale on all social media platform, promotion, influencers, celebrity endorsements, accumulate diamond hand holders, and manual burns at milestone to reward diamond hands. And fourth, logo appearance on each platform, application for CoinGecko, application for CoinMarketCap, and audit submission. As I said before, it was listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap in less than 3 days, so amazing. Huge marketing push with top influencer, V2 website update, and exchange listing. Chart is looking amazing. We can see over here, it got the all-time high in less than like 3 hours from launch. If we put it on the 4-hour chart, looks amazing. Also, 2 days ago on the 9th of October, it got a lot of traction. You guys can see over here the volume of 82,000, insane. So great chart overall. I also highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter by clicking on follow and clicking on this little bell to be notified whenever they tweet something, and also joining the Telegram group where the community is very active and great stuff overall. If you have any questions, just go ahead there and ask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's project, Baby Floki Billionaire. In my opinion, this project has a lot of potential. Great token overall. It's not that old, it's only like a couple of days, 8 days I think, or 9, I don't know, something like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the day, and as always, I'll see you into the next one. Flash out.